Hello students, myself Dr S S Chauhan and you are welcome to my YouTube channel Chauhan Maths. In this video we do a question on equivalence relation. So let us begin with this question. The question is, show that the relation are in the set A, x belongs to z, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12, given by r equal to a comma b, such that mod a minus b is a multiple of 4, is an equivalence relation. Also write the equivalence class 2. If you do not know the definition of equivalence relation, then you can go to my previous video, lecture number 1 on equivalence relation. आप उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं, हमने उसमें equivalence relation डिफाइन किया है, तो उसे ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. अगर आपको डेफिनेशन आती है तो आप इस क्वेश्चन को देखिए. हम इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. सॉल्यूशन बिगिंस नाउ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शो दैट द रिलेशन आर इन द सेट ए. व्हाट इज दिस सेट ए? सेट ए इज x where x is integer and lying between 0 and 12. So set A is actually 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 12. We have written all the elements. This is the set A. The relation R is in the set A. R is in A का मीनिंग है R एक सबसेट ऑफ A क्रॉस A. R is in A. R is subset of A cross A. Now, in this case, AB belongs to R if and only if mod A minus B is multiple of 4. We rewrite in short, AB belongs to R, A related with B, if and only if mod A minus B is multiple of 4. We write M4. So we prove that relation is reflexive. For reflexive relation, we have to prove that A belongs to R. We have to begin with A belongs to R, and we have to end at true word. Yes. For reflexive word, we must begin with A related with A and ending at true word. So A related with A means mod A minus A is multiple of 4. That means 0 is multiple of 4, which is really true. So our relation are a reflexive. Let us go for symmetric relation. Second, we prove that relation is symmetric. For proving symmetric, we begin with A, B belongs to R, and we will end at BA belonging to R. A related B, A related with B से स्टार्ट करके बी रिलेटेड विद ए, इस टारगेट को आपने अचीव करना है. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज mod a minus b is multiple of 4. We know that mod x minus y is equal to mod of y minus x. So mod a minus b can be written as mod b minus a is multiple of 4. And this definitely means b related with a. So ba belongs to R. The target is achieved, and therefore the relation R is symmetric. Lastly, the third case, we prove that relation is transitive. R is transitive. For proving transitive, we must begin with AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. We must begin with A related with B and B related with C, and we must end at A related with C. If we can fill the gaps, then relation is transitive. AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R must imply AC belongs to R. With this, relation R will become transitive. Now AB belongs to R if and only if mod A minus B is multiple of 4 and mod B minus C is multiple of 4. अब हमारा टारगेट है ये और इसमें B एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. एज ए रिजल्ट हमें इन दोनों में से समहाउ B रिमूव करना है. मॉड की प्रेजेंस में ये समेबल नहीं है. मॉड की प्रेजेंस में ये इनको हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए मॉड को ओपन कर देते हैं. तो mod A minus B is multiple of 4, A minus B is also multiple of 4. Mod B minus C is multiple of 4, so B minus C is also multiple of 4. For the purpose of multiple of 4, this mode can be opened. Now, if these two numbers are multiple of 4, then their sum will also be multiple of 4. हम इन दोनों को ऐड भी कर सकते हैं. तो ऐड करने से भी मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 की प्रॉपर्टी पर कोई फर्क नहीं आएगा. सो लेट अस ऐड देम. A minus B plus B minus C is multiple of 4. B and B cancels. This means A minus C is multiple of 4, and this means mod A minus C is multiple of 4, and that means A related with C. Therefore relation has become transitive also. Hence we can say R is equivalence relation. Thus we can say R is an equivalence relation. Now we will do second part of the question. Also write equivalence class namely 2 bracket 2. This equivalence class we are going to write. Set A required again, and the definition will also be required. Remaining things we remove from here. So we write equivalence class 2. Equivalence class namely bracket 2. This is also called equivalence class of 2। आप अगर ऑफ लगा देंगे तो ब्रैकेट रिमूव हो जाएगा। दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, ELTS एलिमेंट्स related to particular element 2. We are searching a set of those elements which are related to 2. Means we are searching for elements like x such that x is related to 2. This means we are searching those elements x such that mod x minus 2 is multiple of 4. X must come from the set A. Now we make a triangle on elements of A. Put x equal to 0. 0 minus 2 is not multiple of 4, so be rejected. 0 is not member of this set. Now put x equal to 1. 1 minus 2 is not multiple of 4, so 1 is rejected. Put x equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0 is a multiple of 4. Alright, so 2 is selected. It is okay. One member has come. Now put x equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is not multiple of 4. So 3 is rejected. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 is not multiple of 4. So leave it. 5 minus 2 not multiple of 4. So rejected. 6 minus 2 is multiple of 4. 6 minus 2. 4 is multiple of 4. So 6 is another member of the set. Now put x equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is not multiple of 4. 8 minus 2, 6 is not multiple of 4. 9 minus 2, 7 is not multiple of 4. 10 minus 2 is multiple of 4. Yes, 10 minus 2, 8 is multiple of 4. So 10 is okay, 10 is selected. And 7, 8, 9, all these are rejected. 10 is selected. 11 minus 2, 9. Not multiple of 4, so 11 rejected. 12 minus 2, 10 is not multiple of 4, so rejected. So 2, 6, 10. These elements make up a set, and this set is called bracket 2, equivalence class of 2. And that's all in this video. If you have liked it, please share with others, subscribe my channel to promote it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.